Hello traders and welcome to tradingwithbill.com. I'm Bill and we're talking Forex. Traders, it's a Thursday already. It's November 15th, 2017. And yeah, interesting trading day yesterday. But all good. What's going on? Overcast skies in Thailand for like the last 3 days. It's like a smog thing. So yeah, hopefully we're going to see some sun today. Bright sun today, but yeah, it's been a little different. It's been cool though, I gotta be honest with you. Really nice. It's been cool at night, cool during the day. Really not too bad. Now if you go out in the middle of the day, like at 2 in the afternoon, yeah, it's gonna be hot. But pretty much nice weather here in Thailand. So we had data come out, and we have a lot of data. So let's just go over this real quick. We had Westpac consumer sentiment out of the Aussie today. Japan had GDP quarter on quarter, came out year on year, came out better, 1.4 versus 1.2. Quarter on quarter was 0.3 versus 0.3, so flat across the board there. And the big one is wage price index year on year for the Aussie, 2.0, and then same for quarter on quarter, came out at 0.5, and they were expecting 0.7. Bad numbers. So let me just jump over here to the charts because I set this up before, but look at this. Look at that sell-off there on that chart, and you can see this just looks like this is just going to continue to tank. I don't see this pulling back. I just see this going for the rest of the day. I was reading the other day that somebody's forecasted this to go back down to 70, 1.70. So we'll see what happens here, but what a move this was on this data that came out. And yeah, big move on that one. Hope somebody caught that on a news trade. All right, so we got French CPI today in the Eurozone, and HICP today out of French. The Great British Pound has average earnings index. Expecting 2.1 versus 2.2. Climate count change also out of the pound today. And unemployment rate today, they're expecting 4.3, same as last time, 4.3. EC Prasat speaks today. Trade balance out of the euro, German 10-year Bund auction. Not much really there, not much to there. We have core CPI out of the U.S. today, core CPI out of the U.S. And CPI month on month. And New York Empire State Manufacturing Index comes out of the U.S. today, and retail sales month on month out of the U.S. Big day today. Of course, our crude oil inventories comes out, and then our crushing crude oil inventories comes out. Looking into Asia, just to take a peek into Asia tomorrow, we do have Aussie coming out. Unemployment change, which is a high impact news event, and full unemployment change comes out as a moderate news event. So keep an eye on that. Talking markets, let's see what happened in our indices. S&P 500 futures is negative 0.03. NASDAQ is negative 0.32 as I speak. The Dow 30 is negative 0.13, and the small cap 2000 is negative 0.29, with the S&P 500 VIX up 0.78. DAX is down 0.31%. The Nikkei 225 is negative 0.84%, with the dollar index currently positive 0.04%, and it's below now that 94, and we're at 93.73 today on the dollar index. Let's take a look at oil, gold and oil today. Gold's inching back up to that 1,300 level. It's now at $1,282.86. WTI oil is at 55.08, and Brent is at 61.41. All of them taking a little hit to the downside. We're just going to have to watch that a little bit. I think there's just a little bit of movement around. I don't think it's going to be a big deal. And U.S. coffee is down 0.28%. Talking about coffee, let's have some. Nice. Nice on a nice brisky morning. Did my morning beach run today, my beach walk, aggressive beach walk today. Really nice, right at the crack of dawn. Absolutely gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. All right, let's take a look at some charts, my friends. So let's go to the euro yen. We got some markings on it. So this is now, you can see this is a 30-minute chart. So every 2 candles is 1 hour, right? So this has been sideways for a while here. So I'm looking for this to break down, and at 133.50, right below that 45, I'd be looking to take this. We're probably going to get at 20, we're going to get a bounce there, because you can see left of the chart there's some support there. So at 133.20, you know, be prepared for a bounce, but you can actually break even by then. You know, at 15 to 20 pips, you know, go to break even, especially in this market. And we'll get out at 132.80. So it's a really nice trade on this euro yen. Just hopefully it works out, and we'll just watch it as it goes into the end of Asia and then into London. Maybe pre-London we can get in this, but this big red candle, and now this new candle that's just printing, looks like this wants to head down. It looks like a good trade to get into. All right, the other one I want to look at is the euro. Now the euro, this pair yesterday had data, right? It had German data, and this thing just took off, and this thing did not look back. Now it's sideways, and now I'm saying, well, there's not a lot of data today. Oh, Draghi spoke yesterday, right? Yellen spoke yesterday. All those people spoke yesterday. So now we're looking at this and say, well, what are we going to do here? Well, you know, at 1780, I think we should sell it. 1775, let's sell it. We're going to take this all the way down to 1670, right? That's the next support level on this 30-minute chart. So this to me looks like a good trade. The trick in this is, and any trade, of course, is entry. Entry is everything. So I'm going to stick some alarms on the charts, and this way I can make sure that I get an alarm and an email if I'm not at my desk, and we can get in this trade. I'm looking at like 1770, 75, a close below that, and then we can get in. That's what I'm looking at. Traders, today on a Wednesday. It's Wednesday. Oh my goodness, what a week this has been. It's been great. All right, it's a great day. Traders, always remember to trade smart, not hard. We will catch you tomorrow morning in Asia. Have a great trading day, my friends. See you next time. Bye-bye.